First thing I do is import OS. And I say, OS, could you get the current working directory? And assign that to MP. Print MP, I get e:\python 34. That's where my current working directory is. And I key in new path equals e:// print NP, and I get e://. So, Mr. OS, could you change directories to NP? That's this guy. And he does. Mr. OS, could you get the current working directory and then print it out? And that's E root drive. OS, could you make a directory called 007? He does it. OS, could you change directories to 007? And he does it. How do I know it? OS, could you get the current working directory and then print it out on the screen? And there it is. E007. Mr. OS, yes, could you change directories back to MP, my path? That was the Python 34. And OS, could you get the current working directory printed out? And there it is, Python 34. X equals I like you. And X, could you split your silly self up and assign that to Y? And he does. He makes a list and he puts all the individual words in there. Now, for every A in Y, this will be A, then this will be A, then this will be A. For every A in Y, this is what you do. I want to see A's uppercase equivalent. I hit enter, and there it is. I like you, uppercase. Now, Y still says I like you because I didn't override it with the other stuff. Now, for every A in Y, this will be A, then that'll be A, then that'll be A. Show me the length of A. So this should be 1, 4, and 3. And it is 1, 4, and 3. Now for every X in the range 5, that's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, show me X. Ooh, don't show it to me, assign it to Z. And then I can Z, hit enter, and 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. For every X in Z, show me the string version of X. So I'll see all of this with single quotes on them. And I do. There they are. For every C in the range 5, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, show me C. And there they are, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. For every C in the range 5, show me C to the third power. And it does, 0, 1, 2 to the third power, 8, 3 to the third power, 27, 4 to the third power, 64. From math, import factorial. Okay. For every X in the range 4, 0, 1, 2, and 3, show me the factorial of X. And it does. So, factorial 0 is always 1, factorial 1, 1 times 1, it's 1. For 2, 2 times 1, times 1, it's 2. For 3, 3 times 2, that's 6 times 1, times 1, that's 6. Now, for every X in the range 5, that's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, show me factorial X. So I'll see 1, 1, 2, 6 again, but the next one is 4. 4 times 3 is 12, times 2 is 24, times 1 is 24. Now, this is an interesting one. I like this one. X equals the list of A1, E5, F6. All right. I create a list called Y, and I say, now, for every B in X, I'm going to go through X with the variable B. For every B in X, this is what I want you to do. If B is an instance of an integer, then show me the B. Oops, no, don't show it to me. Assign it to Y, the list. Okay, that's what he does. So I should see 1, 5, and 6 in this list. And I do. Hit Y, 1, 5, 6. Now, I want to see the letters. What do I do? Well, for every B in X, do the following. If B is an instance of a string, show me B. Oops, assign it to Z. So I should see in Z, A, E, and F. And I do. Now, here's Y, It's 156. Z is AEF. Mr. Z, yes, extend yourself so as to include Y. So it should show me AEF 156. Z now has AEF 156 in it. Wow. Z is equal to 65. For every X in the range 65 through 75, do the following. Print Z and then character X. Well, that'll be the Unicode character represented by that particular number. 65, 66, 67, etc. Then increment Z to the next value. And that's what I get. 65A, 66B, 67C, etc. up to 74. Now Z has AEF 156 in it. For every AB in Z, there is no two things in Z. Oh, enumerate it. Now there are two things in Z. 0, A, 1, E, 2, F, 3, 1, 4, 5, 5 and 6. So I'm going to enumerate, number these guys. And we can refer to them as A and B now. Print out A and B. And 0A, 1E, 2F, 3, 1, 4, 5, 5, 6. Wow. Now, here's the dictionary. A equals 2:1, 4:3, 6:5, and A enter. Oh, I made a terrible mistake. I have them in reverse order. 2, 1, 4, 3, 6, 5. I want to get them back to normal order. I want to reverse this whole thing. How do I do that? All right. For every XY, now, first take a look here. A has items in it. A is a dictionary. It has items. 2, 1 is one item. 4, 3, another item. 6, 5, another item. They're called items. A has items in it. Those items consist of a key and a value, an X and a Y key and a value. For every key value, XY, in each of A's items, I want you to do the following. Show me YX, not XY, but YX. Oops, don't show it to me, assign it to B. So I'm going to reverse the order of key and value to value key and assign that to B. And this is enclosed in curlies, so all the dollars to donuts, this is going to come out as a dictionary in the correct order. Here we go. I key in B and enter, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow, that was good. And this is George Boole. Please share and rate this video, and good luck.